Hey friends, on today's quick video, we're gonna take a closer look at the Yeti 10-ounce mugs. We've had these for roughly 3 months, have used them every single day. So we're gonna give a quick, thorough review on our usage of them. Let's do it. Okay, so the 10-ounce mugs have a couple of different features that have been upgraded by Yeti. The first is that they come with this mag slider lid. So as you can see, the normal lid with just the slot opening has been replaced with that. It's a really nice option to kind of help against spillage. And basically, we actually love these things. You can buy them as an add-on now, just the lids if you'd like to upgrade your old mugs. Now again, these are the 10-ounce versions. So as you can see, they hold roughly 1 cup of coffee. Just to give you an idea, this holds a normal Keurig cup of coffee really, really well. And again, it kind of keeps things super warm for a super long time. Now again, we have been using these every single day for the last 3 months, and spoiler alert, we just absolutely love these things. Really don't want to use anything else now that we are using the Yeti products. So you can see they have this nice little, I guess, embossed kind of raised lettering on one side, and on the other side you can see it has that silver Yeti logo there. And then these smaller mugs are also stackable. So as you can see, it has a little bit of an inset on the bottom as well as the top of the mug, so that these can just slide and fit right inside of each other. Now again, this isn't going to be, super sturdy or secure, but it will stack nicely inside of a cupboard. Okay, in the inside, you can see that it has a touch of scratches. Again, we use a frother on our coffee, and so that's constantly rubbing against the sides of the insulation there. But again, this really doesn't impact the usage or its ability to keep your drink warm at all. You just gotta make sure you rinse them out and clean them. This one has a little bit of staining because we haven't done a deep clean in it in a while. The other thing that you will notice is everything has stayed really, really well scratch free. Again, we've used these every single day, and you can see besides some scuffing on the bottom there, these really don't have any major chips or anything like that in that coating. We do throw them in the dishwasher quite often, and as you can see, it really hasn't done any kind of damage on that coating. So again, props to Yeti for really making a great, great product. All right, friends, I hope that has helped. Again, this is our 3-month review on these guys. We'll probably do another review here in a year just to see how they've held up. If these are the kind of videos that you like, these outdoor products, then definitely subscribe. We got a bunch more of these coming up here in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again on the next one.